Kia ora, ko Luka Wolfgram tōku ingoa. Ko te mau huri huri te hapu I ko ngapu I te iwi. My films were our superheroes, Dear Grief and What Matters Is.
Please give these superheroes a future they deserve.
That's our superhero.
That's my superhero.
That's my superhero.
That's our superhero.
That's
our superhero.
That's my superhero.
Our superhero.
Our superhero.
That's our superhero too.
Dear Grief. It makes me so happy when I think of Costa. I take him everywhere I go. His legacy and spirit keeps me going. Costa inspires me to do good in this world.
Fit and healthy. You're supposed to leave your shoes at the front of the marae, not in your bag.
I definitely have to thank my parents for all the support they gave me, driving me everywhere, helping me get all the equipment I needed to get and always supporting me with my ideas. And also I have to thank the Outlook for Someday, who was the film competition who I entered all my films into, and they're an amazing organisation who supports young upcoming filmmakers, so they were awesome as well. Yeah. I think for me making these two films was really healing in that some people could get help from watching these films, and especially I think Dear Grief, because a lot of us go through grief and a lot of us have lost a loved one, and having a reminder that they're not alone and that being sad and grieving for your loved ones is normal, and that it's a way of showing your love to your loved ones.